All right, page 17, number 10. In this graph, it looks really crazy, right? Because you got all these variables and number, a variable, number. Some of you guys just feel so lost when you look at a question like this. But this question is just like one of the previous questions that you had. They give you coordinate points on the parabola, which is the function, and they want to know which one of these equals the function. So all you got to do is use the coordinates and try to figure out which one is the one that works out. I'm going to choose this coordinate right over here, okay? And I'm just going to plug in x is going to be negative a, and y is going to be 0, okay? So we know that f of x always equals 0, so that's our f of x always equals y. So this is my y, 0 is going to be my y, x is going to be negative a minus a. So I'm just filling in for that x, the negative a, and then we already have this negative a, so it's going to be that, times, and x is going to be negative a minus b. This doesn't work out because look, this is going to be negative 2a times negative a minus b, and that's got to equal 0. No, that doesn't work. Okay? And you're just going to do this for every single one. So we're going to do this one now. F of x is y, so y is 0. X is going to be negative a times, or minus a is negative 2a. And then it's going to be negative a plus c. That does not equal 0. Cross it out. Let's do c. F of x is 0 because f of x equals y. Y is 0. A is x, so negative a goes there, plus a. Negative a plus a equals 0. And then it's all multiplied by x minus c. 0 times anything always equals 0. Therefore, 0 equals this times that is always 0. 0 times anything is 0. That works. C is your answer. So not too difficult at all. Let's look at number 19. It says, in the graph in the xy plane of the function g contains the points negative 3, negative 6, these points, and these points. If g is a continuous function, what is the number of zeros that g could have? Okay, so in order to do this question, you have to know what this definition here means. Okay, so please take notes for yourself. The word 0 means how many times it touches the x-axis. Okay, so this is something you must know. If you don't know that, zeros basically equals the x-intercept. If you're not a math person, you may not know that. As a non-math teacher, that's not something I naturally know, but now I need to know it, okay? So what you could do after this, so we need to find out how many times it pierces through the x-axis or touches it, okay? So we have here negative 3, negative 6. Okay, there's one line. We got negative 5, negative 1, and 5. Negative, so up here. And then we got 2 and negative 2. These are our points, okay? And obviously it's a parabola because it says it's a continuous function. So we know that they're going to continue. So it's going to go like this. So how many times does it pierce through the x-axis? 1 and 2. Therefore, your answer is 2. All right, for number 12, it says slope and intersect. Oh, we didn't go through this one. We're done.